This is a brutal story about one Tesla owner's. You can see here $22,000 600 repair bill, and how that just wasn't gonna cut it for him. Ouch. So if you own a Tesla, at some point you're gonna have to replace the battery, and it's gonna cost a lot more than replacing an engine, apparently, depending on where you go. So let's read on here, and we'll actually watch a clip from this video. It's pretty incredible. This Tesla owner has had enough. Tesla owner blows up Model S instead of footing the huge repair bill. When faced with a repair bill that costs half of what you paid for your car, do you go through with the expensive repair, bring it to the junkyard, or sell it for parts? Finnish Tesla owner, this fellow whose name I cannot pronounce, decided to do something a little more extreme, but arguably a lot more satisfying. Actually, that first name looks like Thomas, but I know it's not. When faced with such a situation, he watched his car go up in flames, as noted in a report from Gizmodo. Thomas handed his 2013 Tesla Model S over to this other company whose name I can't pronounce, a group of explosive experts on YouTube who loves to make things go boom. After he was quoted $22,600 for a battery replacement. Well, when I bought that Tesla, the first 1,500 kilometers, 932 miles, were nice, he recounted. Then error codes hit. After he brought his Tesla to a mechanic, he found out that the only way to fix the car would be to replace the entire battery pack, which would cost him at least about $22,600. Wow. I think anyone would be pretty frustrated at that point, considering that the base price for a new 2013 Tesla Model S started at $57,000, later increasing to nearly $60,000 when the car first came out. Even a standard used model currently goes for around $30,000 at the lowest. Wow, that's incredible for a used car. That's probably why Thomas picked up the Tesla from the shop and told the mechanic that he's going to, quote, explode the whole car away for our viewing pleasure. For context, these cars come with an 8-year, up to 150,000 mile battery and drive unit warranty. But the warranties in older models are starting to expire. Hence the problems. These batteries don't last forever. And of course, neither does your engine. But if you treat it right, it can last a long time. A lot longer than 8 years. In September, Electrek reported on a Tesla owner in need of a battery replacement in a Model S that was no longer under warranty. As noted in the report, he was quoted $22,500 from Tesla, but ended up getting a repair for $5,000 from a third-party shop. Now, if that's an option, that sounds like a good one. Thomas' quote was also from Tesla, and it's unclear whether he had access to an alternative repair service. Yeah, in Finland, maybe not. Either way, the group behind this YouTube channel with the explosive strapped 30 kilograms or 66 pounds of dynamite to the car and parked it in an old quarry in Jala, Finland. Elon Musk was there. Okay, so we have to watch this part. This is pretty funny. Let me play this. Let me bring this volume up here. That's good. That's good. Okay. So let's go to this. Let's go to where Elon Musk shows up here. Right here. There we go. Let's wait for this to load. Yeah, you can understand why I'm not trying to pronounce these words. All right, we're about to see the Elon Musk.
Kunnossa vielä. Joo, sieltä tuli. Meidän itse asiassa totuus on se, että Elon soitti meille eilen ja
So there's Elon Musk. Here you have a dummy they tossed out of a helicopter with an Elon Musk face in it, and now they're see ya. Now they're sticking it in the car for the festivities. That's pretty good. Even Elon Musk was there. Well, oh, don't worry. We'll get to the explosion in a moment. Don't worry. Even Elon Musk was there. Well, at least in spirit. A crash test dummy outfitted with a helmet, thick winter jacket, and a picture of Musk's face was dropped in by a helicopter and then stuffed in the driver's seat. I just have a feeling Elon would appreciate that. That's funny. Thomas triggers the explosion from inside a nearby bunker. The Tesla erupts in a ball of fire with what seems like thousands of pieces scattering throughout the snowy landscape. The group picks up whatever was left of the car, which amounts to just a pile of scraps. When asked whether he's ever had this much fun behind the wheel of a Tesla, Thomas replies, "No, never enjoyed this much with Tesla." All right, let's go. Let's go to the what you came here for. No, no, not Intel. That was yesterday. Here we go. This is gonna be. This is where the fun is. Okay, here we go.
Ja mun mielestä sulla on ohjeet siihen annettu, eikö niin? Sitten on jotain yhteinen countdowni.
So now countdown all together. Watch the flag. Boom. Looks like the car just disappears, doesn't it? We're gonna. He's happy as can be. So let's just skip ahead to the slow motion here, so you can see the glory of this. There goes the grill. I wonder what happened to Elon. Oh, just pieces everywhere. It doesn't look like there's anything like larger than your leg. What a shockwave. Well, that's the way to go out. I recommend going to watch this video. Let's watch one more angle. I'll link it down below. Woof. Good stuff. So this reminds me of I keep going back to Intel. This reminds me of we had a TV that went out, and my son and I went and shot it with bow and arrow. Just because. So hey, you never know. If you have something that dies, you might as well destroy it before you get rid of it. So you may go viral as well. So there you go. Before you buy a Tesla, you may want to think about that. 8 years from now, are you going to want to replace the battery? So I thought that was a fun story for today. So thanks for watching, y'all. Go watch this video. It's pretty good. It's actually produced very well too. So, and it has subtitles. So there you go. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good day.